I took the panel off the side of the sign to see what we got inside. First thing I noticed was the mechanical flasher here. It's a little rusty, but still moves a little bit. Probably need to lubricate that. Looks like there's another one down in here. I don't think it's hooked up to anything. No, sure isn't. Sure isn't. Looks like this one maybe got a little toasty. Toasty there. Burned through and they just kind of tossed it. 1, 2, 3 cams. Say one. See them there? 1, 2, 3. So there are three lighted areas. Oh, it's got looks like dual motion here. Dual animations. If you watch the cams, the way these circuits contact. So I'm supposed to show you here. Watch these. When these lift up, they disconnect the circuit. So these are all off right now. They're all on, off, on. 1, 2, 3. Off, on. 1, 2, 3. Off, on, or on, off. You get the idea. This is a 2000 on it. This is a Sinatrol. Check it out, Sinatrol, Model 30 type. That says T3. I don't know if you can read it. T3. Number says spell B. So I guess normally this is used for spellers. Looks like it has a slot for another spot here too. I don't know. These things are really pretty basic. I use a coil here to generate a magnetic field on this copper disc, and that just turns this disc, which has a gear on it, and turns the gear. So it's not like a direct drive motor or anything, but I have a feeling I could probably get this thing working again. I might need a new insulation block right here. That's if this one doesn't work. This one's a little better, a better model, I would say. Maybe has a spots for, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units to animate. This wire got a little toasty. Oh, well, that'll put a damper on your connection there. Same idea behind this thing. It's an aluminum plate. Not sure what. So whatever. This is rusty and needs lubrication. I see a brand on here, FMS. Model 33. I don't know, 33 something. Anyway, this is a primary voltage flasher. These are all, 110. So the 110 voltage goes in, gets distributed, and then it runs the voltage to the transformers, which convert it to the secondary voltage and power the neon units. So what else we got in here? It's like, I can't really get down there, but you can. What does it look like? I got a transformer, a boot, tube stand, another boot full of water, sleeve. It's probably supposed to be up here. Well, this looks some crusty GTO. Doesn't need to be in there. Oh, look at this. Yeah. That's nice. Bare wire. That goes up somewhere up there. It's like directly into a transformer tray up there. So, I don't know. It needs some work. There's some various junk down the line around there. Broken housings, screws. I don't see any animal nests. No like birds or squirrels or anything in here. There's another housing. This one's still connected. That's to there. This must have been off of here. This is where that one tube, that right here, electrode broke off. You can see part of the housing still on that rubber boot on the tube. So I don't know how clean is this brake. I wonder if this broke when they dropped the sign on the ground off of the, took it down from the pole. It could have jarred it enough to shatter that tube. Yeah, casualties. At least it's not all that difficult of a tube to make. But anyway, here's the inside of the housing. These are the pins. The pins here. That bowling ball. Another pin up there. These are letters. Let's see where the tubes shorted out and arced through. Yikes. Oh, look. This tube's broken too. I didn't see that earlier. No wonder this letter didn't light up very well. I saw something lighting up on it. But again, this is 2 units. Like the other side. Yeah, so this here, this inner unit, the inner part of the A is broken, but the outer part is not. Which is the exact opposite of the other side, the A broken on the other side. So the can get to 1 good letter out of the 2. Not bad because we have 6 A's here. I can have enough tubes to get at least 1 side fully lit, I believe. At any rate, just thought I'd show you the inside of the can here. Other side, see through it. It looks pretty similar. Obviously, there's not a. Well, think there's a flasher. These wires are going down to here. I don't know, maybe we'll take a look on the other side. We'll take that panel off. Alright, here's the inside. Couldn't get the panel all the way off because it's still on the trailer, but this is the other side. Looks very similar. Housings, wiring, transformer tray down at the bottom. But yeah, that's about it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates. Alright, so decided to play Mad Scientist. See if this mechanical flasher works at all. All I did was lubricate the, what is it, a drive shaft, whatever you want to call it. We'll see what happens. Don't try this at home, kids. Look at it. Look at it go. And turns out the date on here is October 2000. So it's almost 18 years old. I wonder how long it was on the sign before they replaced it. Turns out that other flasher, the cams are different. They're just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is actually a different pattern. It's, 1, 2, 3, on, off. 1, 2, 3, on, off. So, anyway, that seems to work. Just needs a new little insulator block there. That's all for now. See ya.